Hi everyone, welcome to week 10 of your oral communication course. I'm your online instructor, Ms. Jackson. The objectives of this week are to use the appropriate language in an oral communication presentation, as well as identify delivery elements and skills that are useful and helpful in your oral communication. Now, the readings for this week are chapters 14 and 15. You also have a couple of PowerPoint presentations that you will be reading through in this week's lesson. The PowerPoint presentation goes in greater detail of the importance of visual aids in a presentation, why this is useful, and how it can help you to connect with your audience. One thing that I want you to make sure you pay close attention to in the lessons from this week is the goal is to learn how the difference between oral communication and written communication can be very different and effective, okay? So the way that you may communicate in a written communication is very different, because when someone can actually hear you, they can see you, the communication is at a different level, because not only are you hearing the words, you're hearing the tone, the inflection of the voice, you're seeing the body language of the person that is presenting. So this is why visual aids are a big part of an oral communication, because that adds to the way that your audience is going to connect to what you're saying, as well as interpret what you're saying. So your first assignment for this week, which is due Wednesday by midnight, you will have a visual task here. And what I want you to do is to prepare a speech. And what are the techniques that you would use to address nervousness? Because some people really do get nervous and have stage fright when speaking in front of an audience. That's a very, very common fear for many people. So how do you apply the different techniques that you may have learned in the PowerPoint presentation as well as the reading to help you with your speech apprehension and any of your nervousness, okay? So I want you to answer in complete, thorough sentences. Make sure that you're also responding to at least 2 or 3 of your peers on their posts as well, so that you can get your full participation for the week, okay? Now, your second assignment for the week is I want you to create your very own PowerPoint presentation. This is a great way to create a visual presentation, okay? And here, all you're gonna do here is just kind of talk through 3 very important points or aspects about an animal, and that can be any animal of your choice. And just tell me about that. Make sure you're using the visuals and all those type of things in the presentation to help me understand what you want to communicate and tell me about whatever animal you've chosen, okay? So you're going to use a lot of the skills that you are learning about in chapters 14 and 15 from the reading, as well as the PowerPoint presentation. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help you be successful. We only have about 2 more weeks to go in this course, so look forward to seeing all of your presentations and reading all of your discussions. Have a great week.